Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can enable or disable microphone on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your settings, and after going to settings just swipe up and you need to go to your privacy and security option. Just go over here, and here you need to find the microphone app just like this. Just tap on it, and after going to the microphone app you see that these are the apps which are using my microphone and it is enabled. I can enable or disable the microphone access on my iPhone from here. By enabling this I just need to tap on it and it will enable the microphone access, and by tapping on it it will disable the microphone access. Another thing, if you want to enable or disable the microphone in your Safari browser, just you need to go to your settings, and after setting you need to go to your app section. This is the setting option, and you need to find out the app option. Just tap on it, and after going to the app option you need to swipe up and you need to find out the Safari browser app, which will be in the S section. Just need to tap on it and open the Safari browser, and after opening this Safari browser just need to swipe up and find out the microphone in the Safari browser option. You see that there is a microphone option. Just tap on it, and yet you see that the microphone access on all website is asked. What it means that it will always ask me that if I want to allow the microphone access to that website or I don't want to allow it. And another option we have is a deny. If I deny it, it will automatically disable the microphone to all websites on Safari, and if I allow it, it enables my access to all websites. So I suggest to make it on ask. If you want to use the microphone, it will always ask you before using it. So that's how you can actually enable or disable the microphone on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.